Okay, friends, good morning. Friends, based upon your comments, now I am coming with this printout explanation. Previously, by writing question, I am giving explanation. Now I took printout. With that, I am taking explanation. Friends, they given this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. Friends, see here. Friends, at the starting, I given up to 10 seconds. I given time. At the starting, take screenshot, then try to solve. Once if you are able to solve, well and good. If not, then what watch this video completely. So friends, check here. They given this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. Friends, check here. They mention is what certain number of persons are sitting in a row, sitting around a circular table which has a circumference of 546 centimeter. Yes. So friends, circumference of the circle. See, circumference of the circle is the given is 546 centimeter. Yes, leave. Next, all the persons are facing towards the center. Next, leave it. They are sitting at a distance to each other, which are the consecutive multiple of 6. Friends, here the mention one is what? Distance between each person is consecutive multiple of 6. Remember, consecutive multiple or successive multiple both are same. Leave it. Next point. Friends, A is tall left of I. Next, two persons are sitting between K and I. Friends, they given like this information, but our requirement is first we are going to find number of persons are sitting around the circular table. How we are going to find means now they given circumference of the circle is what 546 centimeter, but distance between each person is successive multiple of 6. Now suppose friends, check here. Suppose friends, distance between first person second person is 6. Next second and third person is what 12 plus next one is what 18 plus and so on. This total is what 546 centimeter. Yes. Now friends, check here. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus and so on equal to 546 centimeter. Now friends, check here. 6 is take common. 6 common means now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on. Now total is what 546 equal to. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on equal to 546 by here 6. Now 6 9s are here 6 1s are. Now friends, check here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on equal to 91. Friends, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, that means this one is what? Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers, what is the formula means? Here n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 91. So friends, here n square plus n equal to here 91 into 2 means what? Here 182. So friends, n square plus n minus 182 equal to 0. Yes. Now friends, here if you are going to multiply any two numbers, resultant is what? Minus 182. If you are going to any two numbers, resultant is what? Plus 1. Yes. Now what are the factors means? Here 13 and 14. Friends, 13 into 14 is what? Here 182. But here for plus, here we are having plus n. That means here plus 1. That means for higher is plus, lower is what? Minus. Now minus 13 into 14 is what? Minus 182. Plus 13 minus plus 14 minus 13 is what? Here plus 1. Yes. That means friends, check here. Yes, I am able to write this one n square plus 14n minus 13n minus 182 equal to 0. Now friends, in these two common is what? N common means n plus 14. Here common is what? Minus 13 is what? Here n plus 14 equal to 0. Yes. Finally, in between these two, here common is what? N plus 14 is the common. Now friends, check here. If I will take here n plus 14 is the common means now remaining is what? Here n minus 13 equal to 0. Now friends, check here. N plus 14 equal to 0. Next n minus 13 equal to 0. N equal to minus 14. Here n equal to plus 13. But number of persons is always positive means minus 14 no chance. Then here number of persons is what? Here 13 members. Yes. Now friends, number of persons is what? Completely here total is what? Here 13 members. Yes. Now friends, take here. Now friends, here I took total 13 members. Friends, once I count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. So friends, now I took here total is what? 13. Friends, at the starting they given is what? The distance between each person is consecutive multiple of 6. Consecutive multiple of 6. Suppose. Friends, if I will take this one is what? 6. Next one is what? 12. Next 18. Next one is what? Here this one is what? 24. Next one is what? Here 30. Next one is 36. Next one is what? here 42, next one is what, here 48, next 54, 60, 66, next one is what, 72, next one is what, 78. Distance between each person is successive multiple of 6 means now total we are having 13%. Here also friends check here, friends total here I took possibilities before only, why means now again drawing possibilities means it is taking more time, so I took before only. Now 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, next 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, next 78. Suppose check one more possibility also. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, next 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78. Leave it. Now friends take here data. Now friends check here, the distance between each person is successive multiple of 6. Completed. Leave. Now friends see here, A is third left of I. By using this point we are not able to start. Leave. A two persons sitting between K and I. Next M is immediate right of L. Next point is what, H sits to the left of G at a distance of 72 centimeter. Yes. Friends, H sits left of G. H sits left of G at a distance of 72 meter. Yes. Now friends see here, H sits left of G at a distance of 72 meter. Now friends here 72 meter. Here possibility is one. See here we are having only one possibility. See here, H sits left of G. H sits left of G at a distance of 72 meter. Friends, except this possibility, one check is there another possibilities. If you are going to here total is what, 72. Suppose friends check here, is there any other possibility? So friends, other possibility is what? See here, H is left of G at a distance of 72 meter. This is the one possibility. There is chance to take one more possibility also. Suppose friends check here. Friends, 30 plus 24, total is what? Here 54. Next plus 18, here 62 plus 10, total is what? 72. That means here H is left of G at a distance of 72. That means for this one also there is a chance. Yes, that means here there is chance to get two possibilities. Yes, leave it. Yes friends, this possibility I will eliminate. How may? Just wait. Next friends check here. Next take here, next point is what? Our friends see H sits left of G at a distance of 72 meter. The distance between A and D is 18 meter. Yes friends check here. Take here, distance between A and D is 18 meter. See here, they given here the distance between A and D is 18 meter. See here, 6 plus 12, total is what? 18. Then this one is what? A R D. This one is what? D R A. Distance between A and D is 18 meter. Otherwise, D and A is what? 18 meter. 6 plus 12. Otherwise, here there is a chance to take this one also. That means take here one more possibility. Friend, check here. H is sitting left of G at a distance of 72 meter. Next one is what? A and D, between A and D. Now see other possibility. Now the again point is what? Distance between A and D is what? 18. 6 plus 12. This one is 18. There is chance to take. Or there is chance to take this one also 18. Now this one is what? A R D. Or this one is what? D R A. Yes, leave it. Now friends check here. Next point. The number of persons sitting between G and B is same as between B and F. Yes, that means friends check here. Here JB equal to here B and F. Friends check here. The given point is what? Number of persons sitting between J and B is same as between here B and F. Now JB equal to BF. Yes, leave it. Next point. The distance between E and F is LCM of 6 and 5. Friends, see here LCM of 6 and 5. LCM of 6 and 5 means what? Here total is what? 30. That means distance between E and F is what? 30. Distance between E and F is 30. Now, friends, check here. In this case, distance between E and F is 30 and E and F is 30 means here there is chance to take ERF or FRE. Or here there is chance to take ERF or FRE. Now, friends, check here. I will take here the difference is what? ERF or the difference is what? FRE. Distance between F and E is 12 plus 18, 30. Yes. Otherwise, here there is chance to take here ERF or FRE. Now, friends, check here. I will take H is left of G. Friends, for H and G, one more possibility also there. I will eliminate that possibility at the final. I will explain. Wait. See here. H is left of G. Now, this one is what? Here ARD or this one is what? DRA. Now, distance between E and F is what? 30. Then this one is what? E or F, or this one is what? F or E. Distance between E and F is 30 or F and E is 30. Yes, leave it. Now, next point. Friends, check here. Neither M nor L is immediate neighbor of K and H. That means, see here. M and L are not neighbors of K and H. Yes, leave it. M and L. Here we don't know about M and L. Yes, leave it. Next friends, starting again on clue point, check once. A is third left of I. A is third left of I. Take here. A is third left of I. If I will take here A, suppose A is third left of I. Here there is no chance for I. That means this one is fixed for D. This one is fixed for D means this one is fixed for A. Now A is third left of I. Then this one is for I. This one is I. Now in this case, A is third left of I. If I will take here, in this case, A means third left. Here, I, no chance. That means this one is fixed for D, then this one is fixed for A. Now, 1, 2, 3, one is for I. A is third left of I. Yes, possibility. In this case, A is third left of I. If I will take here, A means here, third I, here chance. If I will take here, A also, here I, chance. Yes, leave it. Next, friend, check here. Next, in this case here, distance between E and F is 30. Distance between E and F is 30 means here 12, 18, no chance. Then this is the only possibility for F or E or E or F. Now, A is third left of D. If I will take here A, here third left, no chance. Then this one is for D, then this one is for A. Now, A is third left of I. A is third left of I. Yes, leave it. Friend, these are the possibilities. Now, leave it. Next, come to next point. Friend, check here. A is third left of I. Two persons are sit between K and I. See here. Two persons are sit between K and I. Between K and I, we are having two members. I, 1, 2, here K, no chance. I, 1, 2, this one is what? K. Now, I, 1, 2, here K, no chance. Why? This one is already we are having A. Now, I, 1, 2, this one is what? K. Now, friends, check here. I, 1, 2, this one K, no chance. I, 1, 2, this one is what? Here K. Leave it. Next point is found. Friends, check here. The given clue point is what? Number of persons are sitting between C and I is same as between I and E. Ci is same as between I and E. Friends, check here. Suppose if I will take here between I and E one person. Here I and E one person means now I and C also one person chance. If I will take here, this one is E. Now I and E, here we are having three members. Now 1, 2, 3. Here C chance. Yes, here we are getting more possibilities. Yes, leave it. Friend, check here. Next, one more point they given is what? See here, they mention here M is immediate right of L. M is immediate right of L. Check here. M is immediate right of L. But M and L are not neighbors of K and H. Now M and L both are immediates, but M and L are not neighbors of K and H. So friends, check here, M and L are neighbors means, now check here where the chance. Here, M and L are immediate neighbors, but M and L are not neighbors of K and H. Here no chance. Now M and L are neighbors means here possibility, but M and L are not immediate neighbors of K and H means then for this possibility, no chance. Now friends, come to this possibility. M and L are, M is immediate right of L, but M and L are not neighbors of here K and H. So M and L are immediate neighbors means here chance is what? See here. Friends, M and L here no chance. Now M and L here also no chance. Then this is the only possibility for M and L are immediates. Now the next one is what? M is immediate right of L. See here. They only given M is immediate right of L. Now M and L are not immediate neighbors of H and not immediate neighbors of K. Yes, these two are the possibilities for M and L. Now friends, check here. Now in this case, M and L are immediate neighbors of each other. Next one is what? M and L are not neighbors of K and H. Now friends, check here. Here M and L, here there is a chance to take. Next, here M and L, here no chance. Why means here K is not, M and L are not neighbors of K. Here also, that means this one is what? M or L, this one is what? L or M. But the next one is what? Immediate, M is immediate right of L. The next one is what? L. Now friends, check here. Now in this case, M is immediate right of L. Now take friends here. Our requirement is what? Number of persons are sitting between I and E is same as between C and I. Now, I and E no person. Suppose, if I take I and E no person means, then I and C also no person. Here there is no chance. Why means here already we are having D. Then take this one is what? F. Now, this one is what? E. Between I and E, we are having one person. I and E one person means now C and I also one person. Here C possibility. Yes. Now in this case, between I and E no person means now C and I also no person chance. Suppose between I and E one person means now I and C here one person also chance. But our requirement is what? Friends, check here. Out of that they given either C or E is neighbor of K. C or E, anyone is neighbor of K. Now, if I will take friends here, now in this case, E is neighbor of K. They mention C or E, anyone is neighbor of K. Here chance. Now, if I will take here I, here E, no person. Then I and C also, no person. Next, if I will take here E means I and E, one person. Then I and C also, one person. Yes, these are the possibilities. Yes, leave it. But friends, our requirement, the given condition is what? Number of persons sitting between JB is same as B and F. Now, the starting also they given one more clue point is what? Two persons are sitting between K and I. Two persons are sitting between K and I. Now friends, check here. K, 1, 2, I completed here. Now here also completed. Now take this point. Between JB, number of persons between J and B is same as between B and F. Now friends, one check here empty places. Here this one is empty. This one also empty. Now, JB, BF. For J and F here common is what? B. Suppose, if I will take here B, J and F here we are having two persons. Now, if I will take B and F we are having two persons. Now, if I will take here J, then J and B also two persons. Here condition is satisfied. JB equal to BF. Yes. Now, friends, check here. In this case, what are the empty places means? One check here empty places. This is empty, and this is empty. Now, suppose friends, check here. If I will take this one is what? Here B. Between B and F, suppose B and F, one person means now. Here B and J, one person, no chance. Suppose if I will take here F, B and F two members means now friends B and J, here there is chance to take here two members. Suppose if I will take this one, suppose F here I will take. Now I will take this one is what? E. Now IE equal to IC, but in this condition is not satisfied. That means for this one there is no chance. Yes. So friends, finally we are having only this is the only our final possibility. Yes. Now friends, suppose friends see the questions. Which of the following represents distance between B and F? Now distance between B and F. Check once. Distance between B and this one is what? F. 42, 36. Total is what? Here 78 plus 30. Total is what? 108. Distance between B and F is 108. Then here option D chance. So for first question answer is what? Option D. Second question. Who among the following are immediate neighbor of J? So friends, immediate neighbor of J. Suppose check here. Immediate neighbors of J. Immediate neighbors of J are M and H. Now check here. In this case, immediate neighbors of J are M and H and M. Here chance. That means here answer is what? Option C. Next, who among the following sits fourth right of the one who is sixth left of A? Fourth right of the one who is sixth left of A. Suppose first take sixth left of A. Friends, see here, who among the following sits fourth right of the one who is sixth left of A? For A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this one, see, fourth right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, answer is what? Here, H. So, for question number 3, answer is what? Option C. Question number 4, who among the following represents, which among the following represents distance between H and L? Distance between H and L, H and L. 60, 60. Here, total is what? 120. 170 plus 6 and 4, 180. Yes. So answer is what? Option D. Last question. 4 of the following belongs to the group. Find the one that does not belong to that group. That means out of given 4 options, 5 options, 4 are same, 1 is different. Suppose B, C. Okay, B and C leave. M and J. See here, M and J both are immediates. Next, C, I and D. I and D both are immediates. Next, K and D. K and D also both are immediates. Next, L and M also immediates. But here in option number 1, B and C are not immediate. See here, B and C are not immediate, but remaining all are immediate means, then question number 5, answer is what? Option A. Next friends, see here, at the starting I said for G and H we are having 2 possibilities. See here, H is left of the distance of 72. This one is chance. 72, but here there is chance to get one more possibility, 30, 24 and 18. 30 plus 24, 54 plus 18 means 72. That means here there is chance to take this possibility also. I will explain that one now. See here, but that possibility will eliminate. And how means? See here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78. Friends, check here. Again, first point is, see here. H is left of G at a distance of here 72. Now, see here. 30 plus 24, 54 plus 18, total is what? 72. Now, friends, check here. They give one clue point is what? A distance between they given A and D is what? 18. Now, distance between A and D is 18 means, now where the chance? See here. 6 plus 12, total is what? 18. A and D, here no chance. Here 18, here is any chance. So this possibility will not come. So at the starting I didn't took this possibility. Why means they mentioned distance between A and D is 18. H is left of Z at a distance of 72. This one okay. But between A and D our requirement is what? 18 centimeter. A or D, D or A. If I will take total is here, no chance to take. Why means here we are having H. Here also there is no chance to take. Why means again here we are having H. If I will take here A, D here no chance. Suppose if I will take here A means here D also no chance. That means I will not consider this possibility. So friends, by taking H is left of G, here this one, this is the only possibility. So friends, this is your final answer. Friends, first to try to solve yourself. Once if you are able to solve, just to read the question first, then try to solve. If you are not able to get, then watch this video till completion. Again, if you are having any doubt also, just give your comment. At the same time, friends, remember, in reasoning, if you are having any doubt regarding any specific topic, suppose in syllogism we are having new concept, only few models, a few, next can never be models. Like if you are having any doubt regarding to any concept in your reasoning, just give your comments, or I want this concept, then I will explain clear cut. Okay friends, thanks for today.